So I got this message the other day, active headlight lamps inoperative. Check right low beam. So it turns out my right passenger side front headlight is out. So as you can see, the bulb's out. I think they call them an H7, but if you look inside the wheel well, there's a panel. Take that off. There's a little plastic thing that just pops up with a screwdriver. You should gain access to that cap and that bulb. I'll record that. So as I suspected, this little thing came out of here. Little plastic clips. Just wiggled it with a screwdriver till it came out. And then this just pops off. As you can see, it's just a cover for the wheel well. As you can see, there's a cap up in here. So I need to turn that off and get that out, and then I'll be able to get that headlight bulb. That was actually pretty easy to take off. I just had to have more strength towards it, and I just turned it a little bit that way and it popped right out. Just get those couple clips on there. Here you can see in there, looks like that air come down to there, so that must all just back out. Yeah, so I turned it to the left just a little bit, and obviously I need a new light bulb. The thing's just it was shattered up in there, which is really odd. Yeah, it comes out pretty easy. Just slide it up in there and turn it to the left to get it out. I had to order a new light bulb, pair of light bulbs. Here's the new bulb. I think it was 32, 33 bucks for a set. I plan on just installing the one for now. Because upgraded to LEDs, but I don't know if the LEDs were 60 for one or 60 for two, but we'll see. Plug this one in. This one just wasn't gonna cut it. So the plan is to stick this in there, in that orientation. See the model and all that on there. Don't touch the bulb. Your oils will cause it to heat up and pop. I don't think I can do this on camera, but I'm gonna try. So go up there. There we go. Alright, so I got it in there. So what I did is I took that silver cable to the left. I had it tucked away, but I pulled it back down so I could kind of feel around up there. Slowly pushed it in. It was more to the right than I thought. Tilted it to the bottom, going towards the right just a little bit. Not quite perpendicular like it is. And then sliding it in, you can feel it kind of rest in there a little tighter. At first I thought the bottom should be pointing to at like 7 o'clock, but actually has to be pointing at like 5 o'clock. And then gently turning it to the left clockwise, and you can feel it kind of lock in. And then plug your silver cable in. Now just put the cap on and the cover on, and I'll be done. So there's There's the cap. Just slide it up there, and I think horizontal is probably better. You can get a better grab on it. Get that flap horizontal. I had it like this at first, and then it turned on, but I didn't really feel it click. So I put it in another time, kind of at an angle like that, push it on, and turned it this way, clockwise. And I had one hand pushing up, other hand here, and it felt it click. And there you have it. Now to go turn the car on, try it out. So, there's 2 clips here. Get those in first, and then push it down, and then you can get your little plastic rivet holder thing in there. Just push it in, and then push the button down. Straighten your wheels back out. See if there's any light issues. Go check out the headlights. Oh yeah, looking good. If you like this video, please subscribe, give it a thumbs up, I appreciate it. And also, these headlights are, I don't know what you call them, but they turn left or right, up and down. So be careful not to hammer them, you might break the gears. Alright, here's just to show you the low beams and the high beams, so you can see the difference in color. I believe the factory one was original on the left. But here's a new light bulb, it's a little bit whiter. Here's the high beam. So this is the correct bulbs for this, see how long they last. And I may change out the left one at some point, but ain't broke, don't fix it. Did that with my airbags. Replaced them, a good one, ended up breaking the good one. Cheap, only 60 bucks, but the dealer they're $1,000 to swap them out. But good luck with your project. It's not too bad once you figure out that it's not the crappy bulbs off Amazon that you thought they're supposed to be. Actually, these big square box ones. You can replace them with the LED to get better ones, but I don't know what they cost. I imagine they're 60 bucks for 1 or 2, but you have to figure that out yourself. Anyways, thanks for watching.